I had a viewer request, and I thank viewer Carmeister for asking this question. So the question was, if you wanted to say, for example, someone asked you, do you guys have a discount in the store? How would you say, we don't have a discount? To teach you what to say, I'm going to teach you guys how to say have and don't have. The word in Chinese for have is yo. Third tone, yo, yo. So you can use it for many different things. For things that objectively you can get a hold of, like this, or for figurative things or virtual things. Once you know the term yo, you have a lot of things you could use it for. It's a very essential Chinese word. So how do you say you don't have? Mei yo. Mei is a word for does not exist. So mei yo, I don't have it. So to answer viewer Carmeister's question, if you wanted to tell people that you don't have a discount right now at your store, mei yo, I don't have it. You could use this for many things. If someone asks you, hey, do you have money? Mei yo. One way that I'll teach you guys, especially if you go out with your Chinese friends, is when you're fighting for the bill, you can use yo coupled with me or I. I have. 我有. So you get the bill, you go, 我有, 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 我有. Some people say 我来, 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 which means I'm here or I'm going to do it. Since we're using 有, 我有, 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 我有. I will do a separate video soon on different ways you can fight for the bill, I guess. Alright guys, thank you so much. Jerry Teaches Chinese out.